So Bonjoro is a mobile phone app, or web app and mobile phone app. Oh, I'm logged in, sorry. I can't bring up their website right now. But essentially that allows you to send small, short selfie videos recorded on your phone. So you add the email in through the web app and you receive a notification on your phone. You record the video and it gets distributed, it gets sent out to the person. I have an example of one open for us that I can play a little bit of. So here is how they look in the inbox. So they came in, Patrick Barnes from Advocate Lee sent you a message, you type a little thing here, they click here to watch. You get taken to a new page. Hey Maz, it's Patrick from Advocate Lee, hope you're having a great week. I thought I'd just supplement our email introduction from the market. So essentially what it does is people's email inboxes are a busy place. Everybody's sending emails. I signed up, the example I used in Dublin in September was I signed up to a Marketo trial 2 years ago and I still get emails all the time. So this is just something else you can use to help stand out in the prospect's inbox. And also sometimes people don't respond to follow-up emails. It's just another tool to drive conversion and be more human, be super personal. So this is, you know, if somebody is in that category we talked about before, where they're in your fresh sales, they're in your qualifying section, you keep following it. They've told you, hey, sounds good, I would love to talk. They've never gotten back to you, never gotten back to you, never gotten back to you. You've sent 3 or 4 follow-ups. I would send one of these messages. And the responses are often, hey, thanks so much. You want this to be personal. Mention the company name, mention what you talked about in the email, mention something specific to do with their business. This is not a canned, hey, I send this generic video to everybody. This is something you record every single time. And it's actually super, super fast as well, in a way faster than writing email. So that's another tool that you can use for the people who are perpetually in your qualifying thing. The other option is that where these are good is if somebody says, sounds good, send me some more information, is I would record a personal video. It's a little bit more enticing. So just a few little hacks.